Good morning, folks. Welcome to an OCC Queensland weather app. Today, the 20th of the 1st, 2023. My name's Chris Nitzo. This update brought to you by our major sponsor, TownsvilleSheds.com. Check them out if you're in the market for a shed-safe, accredited shed. All right, lots of showers, lots of storms up around the Northern Cape in a monsoonal airflow pattern. We've got a very isolated, thin strip of shower activity across the Gulf country and Gulf of Carpentaria. We've got lots of shower activity around the southeast coastline with a weak surface trough located in there and a couple of isolated showers up towards central Queensland. Some decaying storms also across the southeast interior. Looking at our surface wind chart, you can see this little weak trough across southeast Queensland. You can see the monsoon trough located over the northern Coral Sea with a tropical low located out there in the eastern Coral Sea. The tropical low in the eastern Coral Sea is going to continue moving eastwards today. The tropical low, the monsoon trough I should say, is going to basically stay fairly near stationary, but just sort of nudging to the north. Not really moving north, nudging north very slowly over the next 24 hours. You can see that surface trough, by the way, breaks down through the day across southeast Queensland. We've got another trough over inland parts of Queensland, which is going to help to assist in creating some showers and thunderstorms through that region. As we progress into the overnight, early morning period, surface trough across inland Queensland pushes westwards. We're going to see some big storms tomorrow across the Maranoa-Warrego region, and you'll notice our monsoon trough just gets a little bit of a move on overnight, early in the morning, a little bit further to the north. We're watching two circulations on that trough line, one over the western parts of the Cape, one over the eastern parts of the Cape. The one in the eastern parts of the Cape is expected to weaken. One on the western part of the Cape could strengthen a little bit and move towards the west. Longer term, we're looking at the possibility of a weak low forming off the southern edge of New Guinea, a fair bit further south of that, around here, and then the expectation is that that weak low or trough is going to track westwards towards the Queensland coast. We'll keep an eye on that, let you know if there's anything to worry about. Storm probability charts for today. You can see little skerricks of instability across inland, northwestern Queensland, the Gulf country, southwestern parts of the Cape, but our main area of storm probabilities today is going to be the southeast inland, southern central east inland area. We can also see the Cape York Peninsula region. These are areas of storm hotspots today, expected across the state. As I mentioned, there is the potential there for isolated storms in the Gulf country and southwestern parts of the Cape as well. In the early afternoon, we're likely to see some storms closer to isolated storms, very close to the southeast coastline, and then that storm probability will track westwards through the day. And as I mentioned, tomorrow we are expecting to see some pretty strong thunderstorms as we progress further west into the Maranoa-Warrego. I suspect some of these will become severe tomorrow. Rainfall accumulations between now and tomorrow morning when we speak. You can see southeast Queensland, lots of shower activity, some isolated thunderstorms. Most of these are going to be garden variety sort of stuff. Look, I can't totally rule out an isolated severe threat, but overall, just showers and garden variety isolated thunderstorms. As we progress further westwards, the chances are we might see something a little bit stronger. And then further westwards tomorrow, we're going to see something a fair bit stronger around the Maranoa-Warrego. Up either in the Northern Cape, we're expecting to see significant rainfall, lots of showers, lots of storms, lots of places across the Northern Cape, decreasing in frequency, scope and intensity as we head further southwards. But we still have an opportunity for very isolated convective activity across northwest Queensland, the Gulf country and southwestern parts of the Cape. Elsewhere across Queensland, just some very isolated showers around northeast Queensland's coast and ranges. If you want to know more about today's storms, tomorrow's storms, and those lows potentially in the Coral Sea and the Arafura Sea, head over to join.ozcyclonechasers.com.au. Check out our subscription options. Thanks for your support. Thanks for watching this video. Have a great day. Talk to you tomorrow.